nature-inspired modern Asian community dito sa General Trias, Cavite. This is just 4.5 kilometers only from the Cavite-Laguna Expressway, Calax, Open Canal exit. Minami Residences is Proprent's only 25-hectare development along Arnaldo Highway, General Trias, Cavite, that offers houses with bigger lot areas, perfect for future planning, future expansions. Minami Residences is also designed to have open spaces for various outdoor activities at the safety and comfort of your own community. And this is Hana Duplex. Sa left side, yan yung turnover, and itong nasa right side natin, ito yung ating dress up. Ito yung ating car garage, kasya dito yung dalawa. Ang minimum natin na lot area for Minami Hana model is 80 square meters. Pero meron pang mas bigger dyan. Kung kaya ng ating budget, pwede tayong maghanap ng mas malaki sa 80. Meron tayong lot space dito sa likod. And as you can see, mataas yung building structure ni Hana model. Booming ngayon ang General Trias at napakaganda dito dahil 100% flood-free and malapit din naman ito sa Imus at sa Dasma, Cavite. Malapit ito sa ginagawang SM General Trias, yung pinakamalaking SM sa buong Calabar Zone. And wow, this is the dress-up extended Hana model. So this is for inspiration. Pwede nyo itong gayahin. Mataas ang kanyang ceiling and maluwag yung kanyang living room area kasi pina-extend niya na yan dito sa kabilang side. And this is our living room area / dining area doon sa kabilang side. Open layout para mas mukhang maluwag at maaliwalas. Ang ganda ng dining area and itong salamin na may pa-backlight. Hi guys! Shout out sa ating mga kababayang OFW na nanonood sa atin. Ayun din sa ating kababayan na nasa Pilipinas, mabuhay tayong lahat. And ayan, 360. Sobrang ganda, no? Actually, simple lang siya, pero sobrang elegante. This is the toilet and bath na nasa ground floor. Disclaimer po ulit this is just a dress-up unit. Ito ang ating kitchen area. Yung stairs kasi natin, medyo nandirito sa side na to. By the way, this is just a modular stairs na pwedeng-pwede nyong ipalipat. Depende sa layout na gusto ninyo. Pero this one, yung ginawa dito sa model house, pwedeng-pwede nyong ipagaya. So, eto, meron tayo ditong back door. Hindi ko lang mabuksan. Tara, akyat tayo sa second floor and this is the modular stairs na pwede nyong ipalipat. Depende sa layout na gusto nyo. Pero as is, maganda na siya doon sa kanyang kinalalagyan. Dito sa second floor, meron tayong 3 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bath. Siya nga pala, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, I'm Sheila Beronilla, your friendly real estate broker. My vlog is all about buying and selling of real property investment and anything in between. Kaya kung gusto mo ng ganitong content, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell para lagi kang updated. Pa-support na din po by clicking the like button. Thank you! And this is bedroom number 2. Diba, ang haba, ang ganda dahil 2 beds yung nagkasya, tapos meron pa siyang 2 study area at saka malaking cabinet. Kapatid, diba, ang ganda ng layout. This is the toilet and bath. And this is the 3rd bedroom. Very impressive ang model house ni Hana Model dito sa Minami Residences. So kung naghahanap ka ng bahay dito sa Cavite, this one might be for you. Pwede mong pagaya itong model house, napakaganda. Dahil ito ay pre-selling pa, mahaba pa ang iyong down payment period. Ipopost ko sa comment section at description box ang kanyang computation. Meron din ako ditong naka-attach. Subject to change without prior notice. Napakaganda dito sa Minami Residences. Complete amenities. Napakalapit po nito sa may open canal. na ginagawang extension. Pagtagos mo is yung Daang Hari na meron ka ng Calax, meron ka ng access pa Metro Manila, pa Laguna, and this is a pre-selling project kaya wala kang ilalabas na malaking cash out. Hulug-hulugan mo lang yung iyong down payment and yung remaining balance is available through bank financing and in-house financing para doon sa mga gusto ng less hassle. For viewing and inquiries and per pastor transaction, please direct messages at FB Messenger Sheila Medina Veronilla or contact us at Smart Viber 0908-893-4078. Thank you for watching and keep safe always. Bye!